What's up, guys? Tucker with Crown Health here. Wanted to go over a couple of insurance terms with you guys that whether you go with me or anybody, you really need to be familiar with. A lot of people don't understand what these terms mean, so I figured I'd make a quick video, hopefully quick, and show you guys what they mean and why you need to pay attention to them. Number one is deductible. As you can see right here, this is a Blue Cross Advantage Bronze plan that I pulled off the marketplace. This is their paperwork that they give you that you can click download brochure, and it's going to tell you all of this stuff I'm going through today. Right here, this is a pretty common plan. As you can see, what is the deductible? $7,500 for individual, $15,000 for family. Now pop over here with me and read this. Generally, you must pay all of the costs from the provider up to the deductible amount before this plan begins to pay. That is why people in October, November, December are trying to schedule surgeries and stuff, because it's the last month of the year. They've been paying thousands of dollars a month, and they finally hit their deductible. And guess what happens in January? It all resets. All right, next term we're going to go over right here. Where's it at? Right there. Coinsurance. So coinsurance, as if your deductible isn't enough money to already pay, coinsurance means you and your insurance company are basically splitting the bill. Think of it as going out to eat with a friend, and you're like, hey, we're going to split this half and half, right? So right here, if you have an outpatient surgery, guess what you get to pay? 50% coinsurance. That means whatever that bill is, you're paying half of it. And heaven forbid you're in a non-participating provider trying to have a surgery. It's not covered. So that's going to be all on you. Last term I want to go over with you is out-of-pocket limit or out-of-pocket max. Guys, and again, go through your documents. You can get this plan on whatever insurance you have. You need to know this regardless of if you get a quote from me or not. So if you look right here, what is not included in the out-of-pocket limit? You need to know this. This is in every Blue Cross plan. It says premiums, balance bills. That's another term we'll go over in just a second. Charges and health care. This is ridiculous. Health care, this plan does not cover. What does that even mean? They don't even tell you what that means. Okay, so while we're on the topic, let's talk about this second term they put in there. So you're paying your premium already every month. Whatever, $1,500 for your family, $2,000 for your family, whatever it is, right? $12,000-$15,000 a year. Then you got to hit your deductible, right? Your deductible before your insurance pays anything on these major deals. Then you've got this thing in the second deal over here called a balance bill. What is a balance bill? So if you've got a lower end plan or just a plan, basically what's going to happen, you're going to go get a surgery, have a procedure done, whatever. Your insurance company is going to kind of battle back and forth with the doctor. If the insurance company does not pay what that doctor thinks they need to get paid, guess who has to pay that? You do. And guess what it's called? It's called a balance bill. That's why people are like, I have insurance. Why am I getting this bill? Well, that's a balance bill. That's leftover money that your insurance company did not pay and that you're now responsible for. All right, trying to make this quick, but I also want y'all to know that this is going to be in your document, especially if you have Blue Cross Blue Shield. It should be in a lot of other plans as well. They typically give you these three examples just to give you an idea of what you're going to pay if you have something. This is probably one of the most common things us as parents are going to have happen to us. A simple fracture, right? Look at this. This is insane. With this plan, this is a decent plan. For me and my family to pay for this plan is like $1,700 a month. It's not cheap. So say one of my kids has a fracture. If you go through this, the plan's overall deductible is $7,500. That should be a red flag right there that you're not getting anything covered. So say my kid breaks a bone and it's $2,800. Guess how much I get to pay? Look at the bottom right there. $2,800. Insurance pays absolutely nothing. Now go over here to the very far left of your screen. Peg is having a baby. Total cost is $12,700. After insurance, guess how much I get to pay? $9,460. That's insane. I'm paying $1,800 a month for this plan. I have to meet my deductible. I have balance bills, and if my wife has a baby, they're only paying, what is that, $3,000 out of 12? Guys, look through your policy and see what these coverages are, And if you'd like a second opinion, or if you want to see a plan that has no deductible unless you're hospitalized for 24 hours, has no copays, and it has no co-insurance, and it's probably going to be 40 to 60% cheaper than this plan, give me a call. That's why I'm doing this, is to help people, because once you start looking through all the documentation, insurance is crazy.